To emulate an Arduino program in Proteus, you will first proceed to open the Arduino IDE and open the following example. It can be found in the File tab. In Examples, we enter the option 3 called Analog and select the analog input file. Once the code file is opened, we proceed to save it. In this case we will do it on the desktop. Once saved, we will go to the Sketch tab and select the option Export Compiled Binary. With this option, 2 files with hex extension will be generated in the folder where we saved the code. In order to simulate an Arduino card in Proteus, it is necessary to add 2 files to the library. To do this, copy the 2 files that are in the RAR file called Proteus Arduino library in the folder located in this PC, Program Files x86, Lab Center Electronics, Proteus 8 Professional, in the folder called Library. Make sure that files with IDX and lib extension are in that folder. To find out if the library was added correctly, open your version of Proteus. Follow the steps to create a new project if you don't have any and save it where you need it. Once you have the schematic circuit area open, go to the Component Mode option, and press the letter P. This will open the Components window. Now type Arduino in the text box and look for the component named Arduino Uno R3. Following these steps, you will have an Arduino card added to your Proteus project. To proceed to the simulation, it is first necessary to build the complete circuit to emulate. To do so will require an LED, a potentiometer, a resistor. Follow the same steps as when adding the Arduino card and select these components. Once the components are selected, start making the respective connections to be able to obtain the result of the simulation. In this case, an oscilloscope will be used to see that the waveform changes its frequency with respect to the potentiometer value. Before starting the simulation, right-click on the Arduino card, go to Edit Properties and press the button with a folder, located in the Program File section. Then, a window will open, and you will need to select the hex file generated by Arduino. In this case the file analog input, ENO, standard point hex will be chosen. Having the file selected, we press the OK button and proceed to run the simulation. When analyzing the simulation, you may notice that by changing the value of the potentiometer connected to pin A0, the power frequency of the LED on pin number 13 also changes. You can perform this same procedure for any Arduino program you want to simulate.